Look at that. My Aedanku ya. Oh, mau kemana sayang? Hah? Mau jalan ya? Nggak bisa jalan sayangku. He wants to eat the yellow. The yellow monkey is upside down right there. He wants to eat that one. You can see his face. Very determined. Very determined. Look at that. Daddy, I want to eat it. Give it to me. Yeah, my baby loves new bouncer, huh? New jumper. I'm sorry. Yeah. Aedan, Aedan. Oh, who's that? Hi. He's like, the camera's on me. Whatever. I don't want to be bothered right now. He's like, I don't care. I just want to eat them. Hey, baby. Aedan, Fadil, Hidayah, Widodo. Huh? Yeah. Okay, say hi to the camera. See? He's waving. He's waving. Say bye to the camera. Hey, jangan bengong.
So look at the other toy. You go inside there. You don't want to be.
This is what he's looking at. This is what he needs to be looking at. Hey, no. Block it. Aedan, Aedan.
Look at you. He's tired. Look at his eyes.
Aedan, Daddy, Mommy. Oh, she has bed hair. Didn't take a shower yet. It's okay. Still beautiful. There you go. Haha.
Jump, baby. Jump.
Aedan. Oh, he looks getting bored.
No, he's tired. Look at his eyes.
Oh, he's tired. He just drank susu. He just drank his milk. Okay. Hey. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Aedan. There you go.